In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a very tiny device that without which I wouldn't go on a ride.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Much like how Sharma and I don't do things without each other and we are a duo, our new ride partner is Cardo Spirit HD Duo. A common question that I get asked a lot is, as a pillion, don't you get bored? What do you do sitting behind? And some people who've just started riding with their partners are terrified that their wife or their pillion is going to fall asleep, and that's a real scenario that happens. We first invested in a set of intercoms in 2021, right before our Bangalore to Spiti road trip. I knew that 600-700 kilometers a day, both of us wouldn't survive if we couldn't be connected and if we couldn't talk to each other. So with heavy heart, we spent 5,000 a piece. That's the basic we could afford at that time, and bought 2 intercoms. The first one lasted 2 years, and the second one, I think 2.5 to 3, we could push it and then it stopped working. It was not waterproof and we never bothered removing it. It was always there. So it has been used a lot. This is our third set of intercoms, and this one says that it is completely waterproof and has some out-of-the-box features. Let's take a look at it. Cardo Spirit HD Duo intercom. It is waterproof. It has a range of 600 meters. FM radio, I've never really used it in my previous intercoms also, but it would be interesting to see on a long ride if you'll actually catch a signal. And it has 40 mm HD speaker. I've always had to say, I can't hear you. Maybe that will change. Another thing that's very interesting is the over-the-air update. So they have their own app using which you can do the updates. You don't have to connect it with a laptop and all of that. But the most important thing for a content creator like me who carries a lot of gadgets is that it's fast charging, and in one full charge, it can last up to 13 hours. Now that is something that is super interesting for me. Enough talking, let's unbox. I'm going to be making chai, so he's taking over.
Priorities. Let's open this up. Slides out nicely. This is the intercom system, the Duo. You can see this very neat finish that you can see here. I think it has about 4 buttons. You can see this. Backside, this is where it connects your speakers and your mic. Quite neat and also quite light. Manuals, we'll read through them later. We've got more manuals, some warranty, okay. And of course, 2 packs. So Duo, right? Let's open up one and show you what's there inside them. Speakers here. This is the mounting part. This goes on your helmet, and this is where the device actually attaches to itself. We've got the speakers here. You can see the front and the back of both the speakers. The front is nice and soft cushiony material, so in case it does touch your ear, it's okay. And the back is Velcro. The Velcro is the one that gets fixed inside the helmet so that it prevents motion of the speakers. And then this little wire here, this is the wire that will get connected to your module itself. To speak with each other, you've got a microphone here. So this is the microphone that you would use if you were to use an open-faced or a modular helmet, so that it kind of comes in here, and you can see this is bendy material. It has flexion, at the same time it is rigid enough to kind of stay in place. So you can see how it is. Let's take a look at the layout of the intercom. There are 4 buttons: the front angular symbol, the phone button, and the plus and minus symbol. Holding these 2 together, the front and the back together, switches on and switches off the device. The volume control is through the plus and minus button. You can also see that it has a rubber boot here, and that's what makes it waterproof. This is where the charging socket is, and this is what connects to the adapter on the helmet. To go into phone pairing mode, you hold this front angular bracket button for 5 seconds. To go into pairing with another intercom, you hold the back button here for 5 seconds. To switch off again, hold both these buttons. Now, I'm sure you all are curious to know how this fits inside the helmet, so let's go ahead and fit it. I'm going to install the Cardo intercom on my Arai XT4. There are roughly 8 steps. Here they are. Step 1 is to install the speakers. Step 2 is to install the mics. Step 3 is to hide the wiring. Step 4 is to install the mounting adapter. Step 5 is to install the Cardo intercom itself. Step 6 is to pair the Cardo intercom system with the app. Step 7 is to pair with your partner. Step 8, go out and ride. Step 1, remove the cheek pads. It would be good to understand how to remove the cheek pads on your helmet. So I've just gone ahead and removed mine here. And you can see for the Arai, my intercom actually sits here, right here. So this is my cheek pad. I'm going to leave it aside. So you can see all of my wiring dangling here. I'm just going to neaten this up. Go ahead, remove the right cheek pad also. So now you can see this is how it looks. The final step, you can see, I'm not sure if you can see my mic inside right here. I'm just going to, you can see this small little mic here. It's got a Velcro behind. I've removed that. That was about removing your existing intercom from your helmet. Let's get to installing the Cardo on this. As you're facing the helmet, the left side is where the intercom sits, and that's the same reason why you can see that the speakers are one long and one short. This is the side, the left side that goes into the intercom. This is my left cheek pad, the left speaker, and you can see there's a slot for it here. This goes here. Likewise on the right as well. You can see a clean helmet. Next, we fix the mounting adapter. This has a simple clamping mechanism. You also get a sticky one. This goes in here. This is how it looks. This is the small mic, and then there's a Velcro for this. This Velcro goes into the chin area here. So the adapter wire and the mic's wire, they go in together, and the mic sits here. So we've fit the adapter, we've got the wiring in place. A very satisfying step. Take the intercom module. So not all intercom systems come with an app, but the Cardo intercom system does come with an app. It's called Cardo Connect. You can download that from the Play Store or the App Store. This is the app, and you see the moment you switch it on, the first thing it does is it's looking for an intercom system. So let's go ahead and switch on the intercom here. It's the front and the back button here. Hold that for 2 seconds. And there you go. It's switched on. Now to put this into pairing mode with your phone, hold the front button, the angular button, for 5 seconds.
Phone pairing.
You heard that it said phone pairing. Now if you go back to your Bluetooth setting, you will see that Spirit HD is there. Go ahead and pair to that. And you can see it's found the device. Once it's found the device, it's going to take you through a guided setup for the very first time. And there you go. You can access your basic menu here. You can configure certain things here in the app. This is Mauna's KYT R2R Pro helmet. We've done exactly the same steps. We've installed it here as well. Now let's go ahead and pair the two of them up. The steps are quite simple. You see this button here at the back. Just hold it for 5 seconds.
Rider A.
You can hear that it says Rider A pairing. The same thing here as well.
Rider A pairing.
They're both pairing.
Rider A ready.
They're both ready.
Awesome, let's try this.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yay! Done. Awesome. Dun, 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 dun. That was about the Cardo Spirit HD Duo's installation and unboxing. We're pretty used to using intercoms and we're very comfortable. It's not a distraction for us. In fact, it's a heavy boost because when we both ride with our intercoms on, it feels like we're on the journey together, even if I'm sitting behind as a pillion or if I'm on my own motorcycle. See you in the next episode.
Go ahead.
I'm going to write. What color is this?
Some color.
Permanent, is it?
Permanent, yes.
Ta-da!
Put this on mine also.
Alright, give. Ta-da! Can you see it though?